In this section, we will show you how to open a particular negative Tala dimension and use that negative demonic energy to attack a person and their family. And if you have enough practitioners, you may even attack a group of people, a country, or even a region. As many of you will know, we have demonstrated this power over the last few years and are increasing our threshold of practitioners on a daily basis. So please do memorize and carry out this ritual to aid us and yourself. The summary of the binding ritual is as follows. Perform the ritual at 2 a.m. using candlelight or dim lights. Inscribe the yantra you see in the image on this screen. This must be done onto the floor or paper, using charcoal, pen, paint, or a wooden stick for sand-covered floor. Some groups use other methods, so allow yourself to be attuned to the process that most suits you. Keep drawing the inscriptions, and with gritted teeth, chant the mantra of Katain, 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 until you feel the presence of the Tala. Focus the negative demonic energy by visualizing the person, group, or regime and its supporters. Focus on their negative aspects such as their bigotry. Direct the negative energy back to them. Visualize negative things happening to them. When you perform this ritual over and over again, you will feel that you will become attuned to the negative demonic Tala, and as such will be able to directly feel the negative energy saturating the person, the leader, its supporters, and the state. You may feel a heightened sense of joy when this happens. This is good, and is an indication that you and the Tala are becoming more linked together. You must perform this action, or ritual, every night until the person is destroyed, or the regime no longer wields power. Though you may continue the ritual every night, for the rest of your life, to assure victory in the wider struggle for harmonious world government, based on Tantric Aayyanist occultist philosophy. When you perform this ritual over and over every night, you will become attuned to the Tala, and you will be able to directly feel the negative energy saturating the person, the regime, and its supporters. Remember, it does not matter if you miss a night, just continue on the next night. There are many thousands of people performing this ritual on a nightly basis, both in the USA, India, and around the world. The Tantric Aayyanists and their supporters, including Luciferians, Satanists, demonologists, and other occultic practitioners, have been doing this since the 13th of November 2016, with stunning successes so far, both seen and unseen.